going to have a great and fun session today because we're going to learn a song by Beethoven. And the song is called Ode to Joy, and it's one of my personal favourites. So let's jump in. Remember, you can pause and rewatch the video as often as you like, and then just take tiny steps and just follow along with me. Let's jump straight in. Today I'll be using my thumb to pluck the strings, but you can also use a guitar pick.
Guitar for Kids with David Aldridge. Have you ever struggled to learn guitar? We are here to help you find your fun and power your confidence. Guitar Star in 30 Days is a fun-filled guide to learning guitar for children 6+, packed with challenges, facts, and quizzes to make kids smile. So, get involved, get creative, and remember, you're amazing! Take your Guitar Star in 30 Days challenge today by visiting davidguitarcoach.co.uk. See you in class! Let your light shine!
People, it's time for another one of David's top tips. And I'm going to go through the numbers of the fingers on the left hand. And then I'm going to show you how that applies to the guitar. And that's going to really help you to get each note faster. Okay, so I'm going to draw my fingers here. I'm going to draw some numbers. Here we go. And hopefully you can see these. So here we've got finger 1, and then finger 2, and then finger 3, and then finger 4. And how this applies to the guitar is that what we do is we keep each finger to a fret. So any of the notes that are played in the first fret, we're going to use finger 1. Any notes that we use in the second fret, finger 2, finger 3, and then finger 4. So I'm just going to quickly show you an exercise that when I teach children, we call this spider fingers, because our fingers kind of look like the legs of a spider. So what we're going to do on string 1, on this string here, again I'm just going to use my thumb. We're going to play the open string. So when we play the open string, we're not pushing down. And then with finger 1, I'm going to push down at the first fret. So this is the first fret here. Finger 2, the second fret, and then finger 3, the third fret, and then finger 4 is at the 4th fret. Now, usually the 4th finger is the weakest, so you've got to really work at strengthening this finger. So we've ascended, so this is called going up, and then we're going to go back down. And then we can go up again. Now you can see through playing this, it's getting the fingers to do most of the work, and it really helps to develop each finger. So finger 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now if you get a little bit confused to what fingers to use, you can do exactly what I've done, is to write the numbers on each finger. Now back to the tutorial. And you want more guitar adventures with me and Bumper? Make sure to subscribe to the channel. That way you'll be notified when I post new exciting videos just like this one. Just jumping in here really quickly to show my appreciation. I received this from YouTube this week for hitting a milestone of 6,000 subscribers. Now it's a cool little play button tin, and inside there was some sweets, some M&M sweets with little play buttons on them. Unfortunately, my son ate them all before I got a chance to show them to you. But again, I would just like to say thank you for supporting the channel and buying the books. It really helps to support more videos like this. So it'll help you with your beginning to end journey learning guitar. So again, thanks very much, and it's very heartfelt. Thank you. Today, you're just trying out guitar for the first time. You come across a song you love, or a performance that ignited a desire to learn guitar. Maybe it was a concert, a music video, or somebody seeing somebody play in real time. Here at Guitar for Kids, we hope to take you on your dream guitar learning journey from beginning to end. David here, just jumping in really quickly. If you'd love to learn some more from me, then I have this book, Guitar Star in 30 Days, which is a beginner book for kids 6+, and it's a 30-day challenge. So if you thrive with challenges and would like to take little steps to playing your first 10 songs, then this book is going to be for you. So each day, all you need to do is to just turn one of the pages, and then it gives you a little fun challenge to do. And it gives you facts and did you knows, and it also lays out what you need to do on that specific day and what the outcome is and how long you need to practice for. So you can see here, day 1, it's all about just learning the parts of the guitar. And we just take little steps each day to building you up to playing 10 incredibly fun songs. All the children who've taken this book and taken this course absolutely love it. And at the end, on day 30, you get to do your Guitar Star performance for family and friends. And the book talks you through that, where you can choose one of the 10 songs and play in front of grandma, in front of your sister, and mum and dad, to surprise them all. And not only that, you are rewarded with a completion certificate that you can cut out the book and then stick on the fridge for everyone to see. So buying this low-cost book really helps to support the channel as well, and future videos like this. Now you can get this book and start taking your challenge right now by clicking the link in the description below. And you can go and get your printable copy.